Greetings from Video Group 33. My name is Hannah. This week focused on gathering public health data resourced from social media and the internet. The first article focused on the opioid crisis and how researchers use internet search-based data to protect heroin-related admissions to emergency departments. The second article defined predictive analysis and how they are developing algorithms to better diagnose and treat illnesses and care for patients. These topics encompass social data, which is data that provide information about users' behaviors, and using it to gain insights into public health matters can be a valuable and cost-effective source for making healthcare-related predictions.
Hello, my name is Eden. So, in the first article about internet searches for opioids, it's been acknowledged that internet searches is an important factor in surveying public health concerns. Personally, I agree that this internet search method to predict heroin admissions should be a new source of data because they are low cost and they are in real time. However, this can be an unreliable way to predict because some geographical regions they may have limited access to heroin information and technology. So the picture on the right is from a search engine called Google Flu Trends. I found an article that discusses this software, which is based on flu-related internet searches and provides daily estimates of flu cases in the US. The article says that, quote, Google Flu Trends can detect an outbreak days before it shows up in the weekly CDC reports. Wow. The extra warning time won't stop outbreaks, but they could play an important role in helping hospitals prepare for these outbreaks. So, in the end, even though internet searches can't be totally reliable on predicting admissions, whether it be flu related or opioid related, I think it's definitely a good resource to survey these health trends.
Hi everyone, my name is Lydia and I'm going to be discussing the second article called The Role of Predictive Analytics in Clinical Care. This article discusses predictive analytics, short for PA, that uses artificial intelligence and electronic algorithms to come up with a clinical decision while predicting the future outcomes. While PA can be beneficial for patient care as a second opinion, it is important for physicians to still offer their time for each individual patient to avoid any bias. The physician should also learn about how the model they are using as a second opinion was created to understand more about the goals it is trying to achieve. When comparing the model and the physician's recommendations, the variables that were used to design the model should be checked before the important medical recommendations are given. Sometimes the doctor's recommendations can be more relevant to the case, especially if the variables used to design the model were based on improving the entire population compared to an individual patient's needs. Technology can help physicians understand the future outcomes of their decisions. However, they should not fully depend on the model created. There can always be technical errors that can be caught by a physician rather than the model created. Not all uncertainties in the medical field can also be considered through the predictive analytics, at least not yet. This technology can improve in the future and can even be beneficial in parts of the world that do not have enough physicians available.
Hi there, I'm Anne, and I want to conclude my today's topic by summing up three big questions from my group's discussion. What is social data? Well, it is data which provide information about user behaviors. Examples are Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, search data, blah blah blah. What about conflicts of interest in the development of PA for patient care? Application to patients remains. If a model was to design without sufficient samples from specific population, then the outcome or the results of PA algorithm may reinforce existing health disparities and worsen health equity. Then how are internet search data collected from big companies such as Google, Apple, blah 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 used for health prevention and disease tracking? Well, in 2019, FDA is planning to build on its effort by creating a large-scale data warehouse funded by $20 million in grant. It will enable agency to improve and facilitate data analytics, help better access vulnerability in the population, identify early trends of epidemic, and target early regulatory changes to address the changing in disease. That's it for now. Thank you.